Cloves are a spice commonly known for their flavor and aroma in cooking, as well as their medicinal properties. Despite the many benefits of incorporating a moderate amount of clove oil into one's diet, such as reducing tooth pain, lowering blood sugar levels, preventing stomach ulcers, and preventing cancer, it's crucial to be aware of the potentially dangerous side effects that have been observed from the use of clove oil, particularly when consumed in large quantities. In this video, I will be discussing the harmful side effects of cloves that you should know about. Number 1. Can lower sugar levels. Cloves and clove essential oil have the potential to reduce the level of glucose and therefore lower the blood sugar levels. This can be particularly harmful for individuals who have been diagnosed with hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia patients should consume clove oil minimally or avoid it altogether to avoid any potential negative effects. It's crucial that patients monitor their blood sugar levels regularly and adjust their clove oil intake accordingly. Number 2. Clove may cause allergic reactions. One of the most important side effects of using clove oil both topically and internally is the risk of developing an allergic reaction. The active component in clove, eugenol, can cause severe skin reactions such as hives, rashes, and swelling at the application site. In extreme cases, it can also cause anaphylaxis, which is a whole-body allergic reaction that can be fatal. So care must be taken to monitor for any skin irritation or allergic reactions when using clove oil. It's also important to avoid direct contact of the oil with eyes and to always test the oil on a small patch of skin before applying it to the entire body. Number 3. Clove may increase skin sensitivity. Undiluted clove oil applied topically on the skin can cause severe skin irritation, inflammation, and burns. It's crucial to dilute the oil before use to avoid contact dermatitis, which can cause a range of skin issues, including rashes, itching, and irritation. If the undiluted oil is applied regularly, it can lead to permanent skin damage. Number 4. Clove may cause respiratory problems. It has become prevalent for many people to use cloves and clove extract as a main ingredient in cigarettes known as clove cigarettes. However, its regular use can lead to a variety of respiratory issues. Inhaling the essential oil of cloves leads to the powder passing through the airways and into the lungs, which can result in breathing issues such as shortness of breath, coughing, and even lung infections. Number 5. Clove may increase mouth sensitivity. Too much consumption of clove oil or clove extracts can cause inflammation in the mucous membranes lining the mouth. This can lead to extensive damage to the gums, tooth pulp, and teeth, causing a burning and painful sensation. With continued overconsumption, the possibility of tooth decay and dental cavities also increases. Number 6. Clove may cause seizures. It has been suggested that consuming clove oil in excessive quantities for prolonged periods of time can lead to an increased risk of seizures. Clove oil has the ability to cause irregular electrical activity in brain cells, which can cause a person to become more vulnerable to seizures. This can also lead to unconsciousness and, in some people, epilepsy. Number 1. Clove may cause bleeding. Clove oil consists of a chemical compound known as eugenol, which is a blood thinner. Eugenol can slow down the blood clotting process, leading to prolonged bleeding. Excessive consumption of clove oil over a long period of time can cause the blood to excessively thin, potentially leading to increased bleeding in case of injury. Those who suffer from bleeding disorders, such as hemophilia, are advised to avoid clove oil entirely as it can worsen their condition. It's also not recommended for those who are undergoing surgery or are taking medication that contains anticoagulants, as the risk of bleeding can be amplified. Number 1. Clove may cause loss of sensation. Eugenol, a chemical compound found in cloves and clove oil, has been reported to act as a numbing agent when applied to the skin. This has the potential to cause a loss of sensation if used for extended periods of time, potentially leading to numbness in the treated areas. Thus, it's advised to never use the oil in conjunction with synthetic painkillers. Thanks for watching. Please tap the like button to support me, and also don't forget to subscribe me for more nutrition health contents.